What's up everybody, it's Chris Young. Let's take a look into what features make the Wolf Pup a travel trailer worthy of your time. Forest River has been around since the mid-90s, producing some of the finest, cost-effective travel trailers around, and has made the Wolf Pup a travel trailer focused on the true adventurer. With a dry weight of just under 4,000 pounds, Wolf Pups are easily towable by a half-ton truck and a majority of mid-size SUVs. Plus, in a Wolf Pup, you'll find a sweet set of efficient features, sometimes difficult to find in a small travel trailer. You can relax with an impressively large 13,500 BTU AC and a 20,000 BTU furnace. Access to USB charging stations are easy, as you'll find them near the bed areas as well as the dining spots. The dining places are oversized and include a removable table. Where the Wolf Pup really shines is in the attention to detail in the kitchen area. Under LED lighting, you'll find a flush mount high output cooktop with cover set into a seamless countertop, large high output microwave, high rise faucet, and a 10 cubic feet 12-volt fridge. For more entertainment other than your personal devices, you'll find a stereo with inside and outside speakers. On the exterior, Wolf Pups have 14-inch tires for easier towing versus the normal 13-inch tire that you'll find on most other smaller travel trailers. An aerodynamic, smooth radius front profile and a spare tire. You'll also note the one-piece walkable decked roof. Sleep on the roof under the stars if you like, unless you just like to roll over or worse, sleepwalk. Enjoy the outdoors under the full-length power awning with LED light strip, controllable by the Cherokee Total Control app and remote control system. Get power via a 110-volt exterior outlet or harness the sun with the standard solar prep and wiring. For you boondockers, you'll find a monitor panel for tanks and battery levels. Now on the floor plans, the versatility of the Forest River Wolf Pup really shows up in the wide breadth of those floor plans. Toy hauler, bunkhouse, and rear living models such as rear kitchen and rear bath can be found. And you know what, speaking of floor plans, what do you say we go inside and start taking a look at them? Now let's take a look at that toy hauler first, the 18 RJB. A great way to get your toys to the trails, the 18 RJB is an open floor plan that can handle 1,500 pounds of cargo. Plus, has a flip fold sofa and a queen bed so it can sleep up to 4. Let's take a look at the bunkhouse models next. At 21 feet in length, the 16 BHS holds a lot, including a queen bed, stacked twin bunks, and can sleep up to 5. The 17 JG has stacked twin bunks, a queen bed, and places in a slide out, filling the said slide out with the large U-shaped dinette. It can sleep 5 up to 6. Now coming up next is the only rear living floor plan with a dinette nestled against the back wall, the 16 TS. A straight up couples pleaser, yet the 16 TS can sleep 3 if necessary. The Wolf Pup line is full of rear bath models as well. The 14cc is less than 20 feet in length, has a unique rear entry that splits the bathroom, plus has a queen bed. Sleep 3 in comfort in that one. The 16FQ utilizes the versatile Murphy bed system, so you have a place to lounge before hitting the sack. The 16FQ can also sleep up to 3. Next up, the 16HE. This rear bath shares the back end with a sizable kitchen, and the entry door splits the kitchen. You'll find a queen bed, convertible dinette, plus a jackknife sofa so you can sleep up to 4. The 16 PF, that's coming up next. Generally, PF stands for personal foul, but there is nothing foul about a smaller travel trailer loaded with a Murphy bed system, U-shaped dinette in a slide out, and plenty of room to roam. The 16 PF can sleep up to 4. Now we come to the Wolf Pup 18 TO. That's my favorite. It's a great travel trailer to take a TO from your everyday life. You'll find a large slide out housing a jackknife sofa and a dinette, plus the queen bed up front. The 18 TO can sleep up to 4. So, as you can see, when it comes to an efficient small travel trailer, you're going to be hard-pressed to find anything better than the Forest River Wolf Pup. I'm confident you can certainly find a Wolf Pup that'll make you howl to be out and about in the woods.